Untangling Possessives. Navigating multiple owners in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting video on English grammar fundamentals. Today, we're diving deep into possessive nouns, but not just any possessive nouns. We're going to tackle possessive nouns with multiple owners. It's a tricky topic, but fear not. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to express ownership when more than one person is involved. First things first, let's briefly recall what possessive nouns are. They're used to show that one thing belongs to someone. We usually form them by adding an s to the end of a noun. For example, Tom's book or the dog's tail. Now, when one person or thing owns something, it's pretty straightforward. But what if there are multiple owners? What if Tom and Jerry both own a book? This is where things can get a bit confusing, but let's break it down. If Tom and Jerry jointly own the book, we say it's Tom and Jerry's book. Notice the placement of the s. We put it at the end of the entire phrase, showing that they own the book together. But if Tom and Jerry each have their own books, we say Tom's and Jerry's books. This means that Tom has a book, and Jerry has a book. The s is applied to each owner individually, reflecting individual ownership. Let's put this into practice with some examples. 1. Joint ownership. Adam and Eve's garden. Here, Adam and Eve share the same garden. 2. Individual ownership. Adam's and Eve's gardens. Now, Adam has his own garden, and Eve has her own garden. Notice the subtle but important difference in meaning brought about by the placement of s. A special case to consider is when dealing with family names. If you're referring to something owned by the entire family, use the s after the family name. For example, the Smith's house means the house belonging to the Smith family. And there you have it. You've now learned how to handle possessive nouns with multiple owners in English. Remember, the key is in the placement of the s. Use it at the end of the phrase for joint ownership, and with each owner for individual ownership. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy language learning.